Hi everyone, it's Ari here. I'm gonna do story time for everyone in everywhere. Today I'm gonna read The Little Hardware Shop by Hazel Lekas and illustrated by Dasha Riley. Let's get started. Ah, look at this. May love and light surround you whenever you read. Thank you. We will. The Little Hardware Shop. Mm, is it okay like that? Can you see? Can you see clearly like that? Oh, it's so shiny. Oh, yeah. I can do it like this. Yeah. Okay. Good. Down the street, not far away, there is a little hardware shop. Some people may not notice it as they go about their day. I have always noticed it and still do. Before I was even born, the paint from the little hardware shop was waiting for my arrival. Oh, look at that. So before I was even born, yeah, still in mommy tummy. And here we have a multi-language painting, Landa. I can't pronounce it. I'm sorry, but you can see that. And there's a coloring paper here. The timber from the little hardware shop became my place of slumber. The rope from the little hardware shop secured the cocoon for my afternoon nap. Nice. See? The nails from the little hardware shop held together our pet's kennel. Oh, look at the puppy there. Oh, there's Croatian language in here. The string from the little hardware shop displayed my first ever drawing. Oh, nice. Get an illustration. Illustrate teacher. No, I don't know. And the bike repair kit from the little hardware shop had me speeding through the neighborhood. Woo-wee! Ruota wheel. Yeah, this is Italian language. And the padlock from the little hardware shop kept sticky fingers out of my school locker. School student. The bucket from the little hardware shop held soapy water for my pride and joy. For my pride and joy. Baldi, bucket. Now look at it. It's Somali. A car, they said babur. Yeah. Oh, hello. We are in French now. The key from the little hardware shop unlocked the door to my brand new home. Oh, so sweet. The saw from the little hardware shop came in handy for my child's bookshelf. Oh my goodness! From the first you were there from you still in your mommy's tummy until you get married and then have your own child. Yo, so beautiful. The wire from the little hardware shop protected our feathered and fluffy pets. The seeds from the little hardware shop filled my garden with tasty delights. Yum! Look at the vegetables and carrots. That's lots of carrots. The hooks from the little hardware shop secured our special family photos. So beautiful book, Hazel. The flashing light. Just make sure I'm not miss the page. Right. The flashing light from the little hardware shop kept my daughter safe on her travels. Oh. This is a Spanish mesa for table. The charcoal fired barbecue from the little hardware shop welcomed all to my home. The ceiling from the little hardware shop stopped the outdoors from coming indoors. The rubber tip from the little hardware shop helps me keep steady as I grow weary. Armenian. Look at that. That's the. You know that this is actually there is a hardware shop because it's inspired from Hazel's parents' hardware shop in Sunshine West. So if you're around and about, you can come and visit the hardware shop that inspired this story. Yeah, the little hardware shop. Down the street, not far away, there still is a little hardware shop that has a big place in my heart. Have you been there? Have you? Have I? And this is inside of the shop. Welcome. So this is the front, and then inside the hardware shop that you can find anything there. And this is the little hardware shop. Let's see in here. It said that this is about Hazel. My childhood be put like that so you can see the the shop while I read about Hazel. My childhood and teen years was spent in my parents' family-run and owned hardware shop in the western suburb of Melbourne. The shop was established by a Maltese family in 1960. My parents bought the business in 1980. This picture storybook is itself Hazel's first storybook. Is a celebration of their 40 plus years in business and is testament to their hard work to support my tertiary education, which led me to my work with school-age children of diverse linguistic backgrounds as a speech pathologist. I have attempted to capture the melting pot of cultures I grew up with and work with the addition of vocabulary of 18 languages, many of which are the main languages spoken in the local communities surrounding my parents' business. One of very few independent hardware shops left operating in Melbourne. And Dasha Riley, the illustrator for this book, is an Australian artist and illustrator. After starting her art career in photography, Dasha has found a new passion in illustrating children's books and teaching her young students how to express themselves through art. You can find her work at www.dashriley.com. There you are. What a beautiful storybook about little hardware shop. Real hardware shop, everybody. Down the street, not far away, there is a little hardware shop. From paint for a baby's new room to a rubber tip for an old man's walking stick. Travel through the pages of this book to find yourself down the street, not far away, in a little hardware shop with a big heart. Thank you so much, Hazel and Tasha. Thank you so much for watching and listening to the story. We'll see you again in my next story time for everyone in everywhere. See ya.